Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. 1 year from now, what is going to happen? This is your charms reading. Yes, many of you requested a charms reading like this. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will help you out, friends. Also, friends, this is 1 year from now, so you can watch it any year, any time of the, you know, anytime. It's up to you. And this is a charms reading. Join us on Insta as Magic Wins Tarot, friends. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And friends, let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option number 1, this beautiful yellow card. Option number 2, this beautiful lavender card. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option number 3, this beautiful red card. Option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there. If you need more time, you can pause the video and choose. And if you are confused from the piles, you can also go to the timestamps to make your selections. You can always do that. So let's skip to number 1, friends. Let's do that very quickly because I want to see what's going to happen 1 year from now for you, friends. Let's see for pile number 1. Just give me a second, please, friends. All right, for pile number 1, let's see what's going to happen in the next 1 year. 1 year from now, where you will be, what will happen. This is a charms reading for option number 1. These are your extra, this is your advice card, this is your extra oracle messages, these are your cards. Let's see. Oh, Wheel of Fortune, 7 of Pentacles, the 3 of Wands, the Justice, oh my god, the King of Rods, and the 8 of Rods. Friends, you are going for a victory. Absolutely, friends, you are going for a victory. Friends, I feel life will be very different from you 1 year from now. You will be at the top of your game, whatever you are doing or whatever you are starting right now. I don't know what it is. Maybe it is a job, maybe it is a family, maybe it is your love life. Whatever you are going to do, you will be on the top level of it. You will be the most best person to do it. You will be most amazing in the 1 year from now. Luck will be with you. Your life will be totally different from where you are currently. I feel right now you have a lot of issues, money worries. You also have a lot of financial worries. You also have a lot of restrictions. You feel you are not lucky. You are not, getting your dues. You are not getting success. Even in love, you feel you are unlucky. But friends, 1 year from now, you have been patient, friends. It will be a new start for you. It will be a, decade long theme for you this 1 year from now. You will be on the top of your game. You will be at a very successful position in your work, in your career, in your money. Yes, some of you will also be married. Some of you will be after 1 year you will be getting married. It will be a big change for you. I see you taking risk 1 year from now, friends. I see you being bold. I see you very different from where you are currently. I feel it is very dark where you are right now, but your future is absolutely golden. It is very different. It is very powerful. And I see that money is coming for you. In the 1 year from now, you'll be rich. You'll be at a much better place in your money, financial, and career sector. And you have worked for it, friends. Yes, you will be very busy 1 year from now because you will be working, you will be achieving your ambition, your Life path is changing for some of you. You will be doing something you have never thought of doing. For others of you, you will be taking some risk which will pay off big time for you. Some of you are going to start a business. You will become the best businessman of the year, businesswoman of the year. Some of you are going to get a promotion which will change your life. You are going to be on the top of your game. Yes, friends, it is, and you deserve it. It is your destiny, friends. It is the payback for all those years of waiting. You have waited for 10 years. Some of you have waited for 12 years, 20 years for this success. It is coming, friends. What you need to do now to achieve this success? Get ready. Get ready. Don't look at your past. Don't stay obsessed with your past. Get ready, something new is coming. Your destiny is bigger than what you know and what you're dreaming about. So turn your back on the past, friends, and get ready to action. Learn. Get set to work. Learn. Keep learning. Keep learning. I also see, you will be in a very successful position 1 year from now, and there will be so much of communications. People will hear what you want to say. People will take your opinion. Like if you are a doctor, I mean, you'll be the best one. If you are a counselor, you'll be the best in your game. Money will be coming your way. I see collaborations happening. I see, if you are single, a lot of new people coming your way. If you are single and going through a divorce or a very tough relationship cycle, or you're going through something right now, friends, which is tough, and you are stuck and it is testing your patience, but don't worry. This will change your life. This patience will change your life. You are that coal right now, which is going to turn into that diamond, which is the most prized diamond of the world. So get ready, friends. Don't worry why things are hard now, why you are being tested. Just get ready, because your destiny is going to be very different 1 year from now. You will be very successful and you will get the justice of this hard work, this patience. If you are in a toxic relationship, or if a marriage is testing you, it is being tested, you can expect a new relationship to come your way. This person could be your twin flame. This person could be your divine masculine, Aries, Leo, Sag person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. This person is you and this person are going to change the life. This person will come in your life and you will get very quickly married to them, or this connection will change your life. The way you think, the way you behave, everything will be different after them. After the day you meet this person. And the current challenges you are going through, it is because you are getting ready, friends. You are getting ready for something big. This is your dress rehearsal. The final play will be 1 year from now. And save this reading, friends, because I'm tired of saying this. Please save it, because I know you need to watch it again, because you will again doubt. You will be, why I'm patient? Because, friends, things are changing for you. And they will. Your destiny is super, super amazing, friends. If you are single, friends, you are going to meet someone through work or while traveling. And that person and you will start maybe a collaboration, or you will be having similar hobbies. Maybe you work together, study together, or you are musicians, artists, creative people. Oh my God. It will be amazing union. It will bring a lot of luck. It will bring you will travel a lot with this person. You will find people who are your soul tribe, whether it is in love or your work, and you'll be very lucky. And money, yes, friends, money, success is coming your way, friends. But one thing is necessary right now. Turn your back on the past. Don't question it. Don't ask why you are being tested. Don't be impatient right now. Learn what you can. Become the best you can. And get ready. Get ready. You'll be busy 1 year from now. Rebuild, number 16. You are rebuilding. Your entire life will be different. I think if people right now who know you, 1 year after that, they will hardly recognize you, because your life will be completely changed. It's like, suddenly you were here and, you are in the best colleges, in the best universities. In fact, you are you have started something of your own and you are doing amazing, an entrepreneur, a company of your own, you are doing great. You are building your life, you are rebuilding your life. You are not just building, you are rebuilding, which is even better. We'll look at the charms also, friends. Teach. Some of you will become world famous teachers, some of you will become world famous guides, spiritual mentors, lawyers, businessmen, entrepreneurs of the world, counselors. Wow, friends, you have a big destiny. If you are a student right now, get ready. Don't be, and if you are not being successful right now, don't worry. Your destiny is special. Only those are tested, friends. Universe does not test everybody. Why? Because only those are tested which are, made of steel. And you have it in you, that is why you are being tested. Because you have it, you are made of steel, you are made of strength, you are gold, you are pure gold. No wonder you choose this yellow. Lead, oh my God, number 4, you have 4 and 5 both. 5 is about changes, divine changes, your life path, your life destiny calling you, big changes. Yes, I see some of you will be working on a new life goal, new life path. And some of you are going to start a family with a twin flame, someone you already knew maybe, or someone new. Lead. You are going to lead, friends. You are going to lead. You are going to achieve the impossible, which is right now you think you can't. It is going to happen. Let's see your advice so we can go into the charms next. Accept heaven's help. You have prayed for help, so get out of your way and accept the help. Friends, I told you, you need to let go, and firstly you need to stop doubting. Turn your back on things or people which are telling you can't achieve something. There are people who are telling you can't do this, you can't do that, you're not so lucky, or you're just a woman, you can't do that. Maybe you are of the same gender, you can't have a marriage like that. It is, whatever you are going through, friends, whoever is telling you can't do, remove, keep some distance. Keep some distance from that. Also, accept the help. A lot of help will come your way in the next 1 year, from now till the 1 year, and you should accept it and be patient. You are going to build this, one by one, and it will turn into a life-changing dream for you, a destiny which is yours. Let's see your charms. Good Lord, this was amazing. This reading, I just loved it. I see some of you may have your life path numbers in numerology as number 1, number 11, number 22, number 4, number 8, leaders, world leaders. Some of you, I see some of my viewers here are world leaders. So congratulations. Let me know if that I told you are going to be a world leader. I hope you remember me at that point of time. Some of you are going to be on the top of your game. Some of you are going to be celebrities. Yes. Trust me. You are going to rebuild. You are going to change your life. Pile number 1, 1 year from now. Pile number 1. Oh my God. I told you some of you will be traveling. Ooh, look at that. You are going to be a superhero or superheroine. I see some of you could be acting also, directing into movies. Friends, your destiny is big. And big is a small word. Trust me for you. Your destiny, oh my God, sorry friends. Your destiny is calling. It's running towards you. Oh my God, some of you are going to be musicians. Look at that, the guitar pick. Some of you will be the most, you are going to become a musician, a creative person, and you are going to find success, or whatever is your passion, you will find success. Also, if you are single, you may find a very creative person, someone who is a musician, and or maybe an artist, maybe a media person, and you both are going to change the destiny together of each other. It's big, friends, it's big. Apogee, I think apogee means something. Apogee means something. Apogee is some kind of an axis on some. Apogee means some kind of an axis, if I'm correct. Apogee, it's an axis of a planet. So yes, your axis, your life is going to shift like the nodes shift, and the nodes are going to shift, friends. So yes, it is going to change your life. Yes. Hope. I see the word hope here, friends. Yes, stay hopeful. Your destiny is bigger than you expect. And HOPEGEE, that are the alphabets here. There's a car. Yes, you will own the car. You will own luxury. I see you becoming rich, getting whatever your essential needs being met, everything. I'm a stupid baby. I see that you will meet your twin flame, friends. You are going to meet your twin flame. If you have already met them, get ready. Things will get better. Plane. I do see some of you will be flying, traveling to other cities where your destiny is, other countries. I see you becoming a world star, world famous. Or I also see some of you owning a plane, jet, your own jets. So, friends, I'm telling you, your destiny is big, and this is not just about 1 year for you, this is about your life, that what you will be. Whew. And right now, you are here, you feel this powerless. You feel like you don't have power, you feel like you are the smallest person in the game of life, in the chess of life. Friends, get ready. Be this dog who is loyal to their goals, to their dreams, to their ambitions. You will achieve it. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. Don't give up. Keep following. Let's see what else. 7 of coins. 7 of coins. You are waiting, friends. You are waiting for this destiny. You are waiting for this big breakthrough. 8 of Airs. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt your gifts. Don't doubt your luck, your destiny. You are blessed. Soulmate. Yes, your soulmate is coming. You are not meant to be single all your life. No matter your age, you are going to find this soulmate. Patience. Oh my God. 7 of Wands. 7 of Pentacles is also about patience. 10 of Airs. Let go of what is ending right now. Let go of it. It's no point. 2 of Airs. Let go of confusions. Let it be. Let things rest for a while. No one can take away from this destiny of yours, friends. This is yours, and that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share, and friends, save this reading because I know you will come back and say this all came out true for you, because I can write it on a paper and say it is going to come true on you for you. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot, and this is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, let's see what 1 year from now where you will be. For those who chose the lavender card, this is a charms reading. These are your oracle messages, your advice. We'll see the charms shortly. Let's see your cards, friends. Wow, the Knight of Rods, the Magician, the Lovers. Wow, the 6 of Swords, the 9 of Cups, and the Moon, friends. Wow. This is very, very interesting. 1 year from now, friends, you will be far, far away from all the troubles which are bothering you right now. There is a lot of tension, a lot of things which are causing you pain and worry at the moment, and you are like done with it. There are things which are making you worried. There are things which are worries, tensions, obstructions, blocks. You are worried, painful situations. I don't know how to say this. Maybe someone broke your heart. Maybe someone broke your trust and in your job or your life. You are tired of it, friends. You are tired. And 1 year from now, you will be far, far away from all these worries, all these tensions. Whatever is causing this pain, this trouble, you will be away from it. Why? Because you are manifesting, friends. Yes, you are manifesting your destiny. Something great will happen 1 year from now. Why? Because you are working for it. You have decided to work for it, and you will achieve it. You will start some goal 1 year from now or right now, which will change your destiny. I see some of you are manifesting for a love connection or a relationship or a marriage. Yes, you will achieve it. Some of you are manifesting more creativity in your life. Yes, you will achieve it. I see 1 year from now, some of you will be writing your favorite book, writing that novel which was made for you. I also see you will be expecting a baby, or you will be happily married with someone you really, really love and enjoy, and you never expected to find this person. because right now you are in such pain. But you are moving out of it, friends. Stay relaxed. Your life has already started to move in the right direction. Just keep taking action one by one. This is not a change I see that will happen overnight for you. This manifestation you will have to work day and night or day by day. Take small steps. You will, like if you are looking for a partnership and not talking to anybody, it is not going to jump in your lap, friends. You will have to talk to people, socialize. Yes, socialize, meet friends, talk to people online, just get going, get talking. You I also see, friends, some of you are going to get new friendships. Some of you are really not having any good friends right now. 1 year from now, you will have new friends, new soulmates, new connections, and your creativity will be super, super high. It will be the most, you will be very, if you are trying to learn something like in spirituality, maybe you are a Harry Potter fan, so you are trying some wizardry, you are trying to achieve something, but you can't right now. You keep failing again and again. Maybe it's an exam that you want to crack, but you can't right now. You keep failing. Maybe it is you want to become more beautiful, voluptuous, sexy. Maybe you want to lose weight, but you can't right now. Keep at it. You are going to achieve it. Keep at it, friends. Keep at it. I am telling you, you are going to achieve a spiritual mastery also, and your creativity also. You are going to become exceptionally good at something you have not expected, or something that you are working on. You will become very good at it. I see some of you will become chefs in the future 1 year from now, or you will be owning a hotel or shops or resorts or some place like a healing center or something, crystals. I see you surrounded with crystals. I see you getting, you are turning into a powerful magician, friends. Yes, 1 year from now, some things, right now you feel everything is an effort. 1 year from now, you will find everything comes on your tips without anything, without lifting a finger. Excellent. You will be very happy 1 year from now, which is a relief. You will also be very, you will sleep peacefully, you will feel content, you will feel happy that you have achieved what you wanted to. I also feel if you are single, a very sexy, a very steamy, a very telepathic connection is coming your way. You will learn a lot from this person. They are from a different country, different origin, different religion, and you both are also from different star systems. I see this person could be a star seed, so get ready, friends, get ready. Big, big things happening 1 year from now. And there is a fond dream. What are you trying to manifest? Tell me that in the comment section. Right now, what are you manifesting? Money? Yes, it will come. Are you trying to build your career? Yes, it will happen. Are you trying to crack that exam? Yes, you will have it. You will achieve it. Are you trying for, that reunion? Yes, it will happen. Are you looking for new friendships? Yes, it will happen. Whatever you are trying to manifest, keep working on it, friends. Don't give up. You are very close to achieving it. I also see, friends, some of you are going to really work on your bodies, on your looks. Even if you don't work, you are going to look very voluptuous, very sexy, very fit. Your self-confidence will be very high. I see an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person coming towards you 1 year from now. You being in a very harmonious relationship with this person. I also see some of you getting pregnant, having a family, babies, and just having some amazing time of your life. Look at this, all your wishes coming true. 1 year from now, you will find what you are seeking. You don't know what exactly you find. That's why I have to give you all the options, because some of you are looking for different things. Some of you are looking for love, some of you are manifesting money, some of you are manifesting creativity. Whatever you are seeking, it is coming for you. Just release the foundations. I see that you are trying to limit yourself. That no, it won't happen. I have to work harder to achieve success. No, you just have to work or do something that you enjoy and success will come. Whatever you are seeking is coming towards you. I also see some of you will be relocating. You are moving cities, countries also. You will be moving to a country that will be the country of your love. You will meet your love. You will meet your destiny. You will meet your creativity there. Get ready, friends. You will meet new friends there. Decisions and daydreams, number 7. Yes, you have a lot of choices. You have a lot of dreams actually, and I see one by one all those dreams will come true. At least one major dream will be achieved by the time 1 year is over. Oh my god, dreams coming true, number 9. Yes, friends, miracles are brewing for you. You are on the right path right now. Don't doubt. I see that you are starting to doubt whether you are on the right path, whether things will get better for you. Yes, they will. Yes, they will. I also see, friends, if you are a creative person or a spiritual person, if even if you are not, some of you will become spiritual person, some of you will become intuitive, some of you will become very good with law of attraction 1 year from now. I also see some of you will become very good or start a new business, architecture, designing, all those things are very important. You may go for those business, those degrees. Even if you are very old or even if you are young and it's not something you want to do, you may end up there 1 year from now and will be exceptionally good at it. I also see some of you will be in France or in Italy, learning, working there, and having a blast, having a great time there. Trust me, send me your pictures. I can actually see you having some lot of fun there, enjoying your work also. I see some of you are going to be chefs, friends. Yes, 1 year from now, very renowned chefs or artists, book writers, publishers, models, actors, very, very gifted. Or whatever you want to achieve, you will achieve it 1 year from now. Keep working. Keep working. Let's see your advice. Stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle. Yes, friends, you are on the right path. Don't doubt your path. Also, things are moving already for you. So keep working, keep making 1 day plans, day by day plans. Let's see your charms. For option number 2, 1 year from now. Okay. Let's see. Wow, wedding bells, friends, wedding bells. Yes, some of you getting married. I told you, babies, pregnancies, getting married. You also have the Wheel of Fortune. Luck is coming towards you and is stuck with something. The Moon, and we have the Moon card here, friends. And twins. Wow, friends, some of you are going to find your twin flame. Also the Moon. Moon is about cycles. Moon is also about creativity, Wheel of Fortune. Something very destined will happen for you, friends, 1 year from now or very soon. I feel very soon, in the next 6 months only it will happen. Wedding, yes, some of you will get married. Some of you are going to find the love of your life. Hawk, I see hawk. Stay alert. I think it is going to come very quickly, friends. It is going to happen very quickly. It won't even take 1 year. So stay careful, stay ready. Hawk. Or something will happen which will inspire you, which will surprise you happily. Dreams coming true. It will make you feel happy. And letters are KHAWE. Luck, money is coming your way. Keep working, money will be yours. Wedding bells, also this is like your manifestations will come true. The number 4 is important for you, friends. Wheel of Fortune, yes, you are lucky. Luck is with you. Green, this is like healing. You are moving in the right direction. You have started. You are already in the right direction. Keep doing what you are doing. Don't doubt yourself. Don't quit. Pink hat, love is coming, friends. Love of your life is coming. Another hat, you have 2 hats, and this is the Victorian hat. Friends, I see this is the hat of achievement. You are going to achieve what you want to achieve right now. And look at this. The lady with a water can. Yes, you will achieve something you are working on right now, friends, which you haven't yet achieved. You will achieve it. You have the angel wing. You are very protected. Watch the signs. Hawk, follow the signs. You are being guided. You also have the baby elephant. And elephants are also about fertility. Elephants are about family. You will meet new friends, new family, or prosperity. They are also about prosperity. This bell, this drum beat is like, yes, you know, go for it. You are on the right path, friends. March on your beat. Bouquet, yes, celebration, success, victory, success, victory, celebrations, dreams coming true. Let's see your cards. Water, I say keep your expectations fluid, friends. Don't stay very fixed. Seven of Wands. Don't give up. Don't quit. Mouse. Sometimes I would say that you need to hide from. Don't share your big goals to people around you. Keep it to yourself. Even if it's about a marriage, father. Yeah, some of you will become a father, or maybe your father will be important for you ahead. Five of Coins. If you have money issues, get ready. They will be resolved. Twins. Yes, some of you could have twin babies in the future. Some of you will be meeting your twin flame, getting married to them. Seven of Cups. Dreams, dreams. Confusions. You have a lot of dreams. Decide one goal and go for it. Canada. See, some of you could be traveling to Italy, France, Canada, UK, US. Karma. Yes, something which right now the restrictions are karmic, angels, karmic friends. Things which are happening right now, the blocks, the pain, they have to happen. Let them be. Yellow, stay positive. Oops. August is important, so maybe next year August will be very different for you. Ladybug, yes, you are very lucky. Prosperity, money. King of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important, and the moon. Whew. Wow, friends. This is like a great year. 1 year from now, you are at a great place. So, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Click the bell icon and never miss a reading. And join us on Insta as Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 3, what will happen 1 year from now? Let's see if you chose this red option. This is your oracle messages. These are your advice. And this is a charms reading. We'll pull your charms also at the end. So let's see your cards. Ace of Rods, the Hermit, the Hanged Man, the Emperor, the World, and the Eight of Cups, and the Sun. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. Just a second, please. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. I see 1 year from now, you will be at an amazing place. And why do I say this? Because, friends, right now you are ending a lot of things in your life, friends. You are moving out of many situations. In fact, you are feeling very alone right now. You feel friendless, you feel hopeless. You are also feeling like you don't even know where you are going anymore. And you have to let go of so many things. You have been rejected, or you have to let go of people, relationships, work, and you're tired. I see some of you are even sitting in isolation, in meditation, maybe for 3 years, for 2 years, or like if this year has been really tough for you. I see you have been taking time now to focus on yourself, develop yourself. Also, I see you developing your skills, your morale, understanding. I see you have been taking your time to understand yourself. And this is amazing, friends. Why? Because 1 year from now, friends, I see life will be amazing. Life will be positive for you. Fame and success will be yours. Yes. All this time you have spent alone. All this time you have spent working on yourself. All this time people rejected you is going to turn. 1 year from now, you will shine in the sun. You will come out and people will want to know you. People will take your autographs. I see fame for you, friends. Yes. For many of you, you will be working in the public sector. 1 year from now, you will be at a very at a very strong position. 1 year from now, you will be a top-notch leader, a very famous person. You will be in public sector. Some of you are going to become leaders of the world. I see. I also feel. Right now you are taking a lot of time to know yourself, self develop yourself, spiritually understand yourself. What are your shadows, what are your flaws, why things have been turning sour for you, bad for you, and oh my god, life will turn 180 degrees for you 1 year from now. Something new will start 1 year from now. For some of you, it is the goal of your life, the destiny of your life, a new job, or some of you will start something, or you have already started, but you will reach fame in 1 year, success in 1 year. For others, something will start after 1 year for you in your career, in your money sector, and you are going to be fabulous, friends. If you are worried right now that you are a shy person, you are an introvert, how are you going to do all this? How are you going to handle the public? How are you going to do, take this leadership roles? You will, friends, you will surprise yourself, trust me. Look at this. You are going to come into your power, friends, yes, and you are going to achieve mastery on yourself. There is some darkness right now, maybe some addiction, some anger issues. Maybe right now you are an introvert, you don't know what is your life goal. If you are very young, you are confused, you are living in the shadow of your family, but you will move out. 1 year from now, I see you traveling the world. I see you shifting home. I see you relocating. I see you living near a coast, living near a port city, and you are becoming very famous. I also see you traveling the world. You will get a job where you will travel a lot. I see that you will be world famous. Success, success. I also see you will own a lot of property in 1 year from now, or you will meet someone, or some work which allows you to connect with land, with farms, with organic fruits, organic farming. Oh my god, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be big for you. You'll be at the top of your game, friends, trust me. And something, if you are worried, people don't understand you, you are being rejected, you are being ridiculed for what you are, your gifts, I see you're working alone. Why? Because nobody understands you. Maybe some of you are having gender issues at the moment. Maybe you are in those, same sex relationships, and you feel like people won't understand you or accept you, or, maybe you are an introvert and your destiny is to be an extrovert, be famous, do something with the public eye. And you are like, oh my god, how am I gonna do? Because you do know that it's in your heart. It's in your heart. Don't worry, friends. Whoever is rejected you, they are going to regret it. And it's, mark my words, mark it, save this video. And very, very rarely do I make again and again repeated strong statements, because when I feel it in my bones, I will only tell you. Otherwise, I won't. I do see fame coming for you, friends. I do see success coming your way. I also see some you will be meeting someone, that you will meet someone who is already successful, and you both will start a collaboration or a project, or at your work you will team up with your boss or something, and oh my god, what a team you are going to make, friends. It will be amazing. It will be very successful. I also feel, friends, 1 year from now, the way you think about life will be very, very different. Your perceptions, your understanding of yourself, of life, of spirituality, of things, of world, everything will be different. Why? Because you are here. Hermit. Trust me, friends, you are the monk who takes, I think you are the next person who will write that book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I see you people doing that. I see you doing something exceptional in the future, but you have absolutely no idea right now. You don't even know what you are going to do. You have been rejected. You have been tormented. People are laughing at you. People are ridiculing. They are just like, I don't know. And why they are doing this? I'm so upset. But friends, don't worry. You are going to take an initiative. I see you working with social care, social centers, maybe as a police officer, maybe in army. I see you working with daily cares, social welfare. I see you starting something and it is going to become very successful. I see some of you have already started this work or this relationship. Maybe you have already started this relationship, but right now it is stuck, nothing is happening. You have moved on, this person have moved on, there is no contact, there is nothing happening. You both are poles apart, nothing is going on. Wait, give it a year's time. This is the person who is your man. This is the person who is your woman, the man or the woman of your dreams. They are going to take the lead. They are going to change their life and come towards you. And then they will be the most perfect partner for you. Get ready, friends. You have to give it some time, but and you have to stay away from this person for that time being, because right now you both will kill each other, I see. Or you will both, I don't know what is happening. It's only getting worse right now. But if you stay away, give it some time, give it a change of perception, things are going to, you are going to marry this person. You already know this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or this Aries, Leo, Sag person. Yes. I also see some of you have been rejected. Some of you have moved out of a marriage or a toxic relationship and you are completely destroyed. Your self-worth, your confidence is destroyed by that relationship. Get ready, friends. I would suggest you to put on your prettiest dress and, you know, take yourself on a date or a party. If not, make it, do something that you really enjoy. Why? Because the man of your dreams is coming, and that person is even better than the person you ended things with. So get ready, and the attraction will be very significant. You will know it. I see, we will see with the charms, but I know it will be very significant, the attraction, the communication, and this person will take your, I see if you are a woman, you are very independent. And most people are being afraid of your independence. But this person is like, wow, I'm looking for exactly like you. So get ready. Get ready. This is the relationship of your dreams. And if you have already started something, like you are at grassroots level right now, you started something in your garage or something and you don't know what you are going to do. Maybe it's a factory, maybe it's a company. You are making maybe you have some ideas right now, but you are not able to work on them. Or maybe you tried working on them, but they failed. I see, take some time, friends, right now. Take some time, focus on yourself, meditate, learn about the world, learn about some culture, learn a new language, because I see you shifting there. I see you relocating. I see you getting a lot of success. I see you meeting the right people. I see fame. Big fame, friends. I think you should give me your autographs, because otherwise I don't know where I would catch you. Share the love, number 3. Yes, friends, a lot of love will be coming your way. I do feel people who are right now rejecting you will be coming towards you in the future, telling you that they are sorry, they want you back. Believe and succeed. Yes, trust yourself. Even, you feel like, have you seen The Life of Pi? There is that scene in that movie where, there is a storm and the small boat is stuck in that middle of the storm and you can't do anything. Right now, that is how you feel. You can't do anything. But friends, mark my words. Things will change. Believe. Stay strong. Shine. You are going to shine, friends. Yes, your destiny is to be famous. Your destiny is to achieve this success. For some of you, your destiny is to meet this person or marry this person who is extremely successful, your divine counterpart. And if you have been very unlucky in love, trust, they are coming 1 year from now. Well-deserved reward. And this thing, 1 year from now, you will get the rewards that you are waiting for, that victory, that sense of accomplishment. Yes, I did it. You will have it, friends. You will have it. And trust me, you will feel very confident. Why? Because people have rejected you right now. So you will feel very successful. You will feel like yes. But what you need to do right now, stay, keep a low profile, get to know yourself, meditate, be, work with yourself, keep your ideas to yourself. If you have moved on, it's okay. Don't worry. Don't cry. I see you crying. Don't cry. I see you being shy to step out of your comfort zone. Don't do that. Try to step out of your comfort zone. This is 2020. Everyone is moved out of their comfort zone. Let's see your advice. Dream big. This is your advice, friends. Dream big. See yourself succeeding. There is much more in your life. I told you, you are that introvert that doesn't even want this fame because you are like, what will I do? How will I talk? How will I behave? What will an introvert, sometimes people, and it's nothing bad. Even I am an introvert. People are shy. And more than that, people are, they are intelligent, or rather say they are receptive. The energies affect them. So everyone is different. So you are like, what will I do? How will I even achieve it? Dream big. You can achieve much more than you are settling for. Let go of small thoughts. See yourself succeeding. Let's see your charms. Option number 3, what will happen 1 year from now? Make sure to subscribe, Magic Friends Tarot friends. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. And we work very hard, friends. You can see, oh my god, wedding friends. Yes, some of you are going to meet the man or the woman of your dreams. Let's see. I don't know why they always land up face down. Maybe there's some, there is some logic there. I never know. Cheese. I see cheese there. Maybe you'll start some or cheese farming or something, friends. Who knows? Maybe you'll start oil shipping or something, traveling, merchantry. I see you doing a lot of stuff, friends. Taking risk. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Let's see. Okay. So we have CHEYOEESI. I don't know if I can make hey. Yeah, hey you. This reminds me of the song also, Hey Jude, by Beatles. Hey Jude. I think you should listen to that song. I think you are really sad at the moment, friends. If you are not into English music, just go to Google and type Hey Jude, Jude, type the and lyrics, and you will get the lyrics, and I'm sure you can understand. It's a very, very simple song. Hey Jude. I think you need to hear that song. I don't know if I can make any words. Maybe cos theta. Cos theta, tan theta, cos theta. Here is a cos here. So, you make out the words. See, friends, your future is brighter. Don't doubt yourself. Car, yes, success is coming your way. Plane, I see you moving. I see you traveling. I see you shifting. Wedding, yes. Marriage, commitment. It could be a business proposal also. And look, something will happen 1 year from now which will make you smile, which will make you totally happy. Apple, yes, the apple of your eye, the man or the woman of your dreams, you are going to find them. Passion, yes. If you are currently feeling like there is nothing to be passionate about in life, you are going to find your passion. You also choose the red color. Don't forget that. Ship, again, it is about traveling. It is also about stepping out of your comfort zones, because ships are not normal to travel. Number 19 might be important. So you could be 19 years old, you could be 31 years old, or 44. You are doubting yourself, but don't do that. The green, this green home. Yes, friends, you are going to get the home or the dream life that you want. There is this angel feather, so you are protected, friends. Don't worry. There is the drum beat. So there are 2 drum beats. I see, right now it is the time to stay quiet for you. And if things are quiet, don't worry, because things are going to get very charged up 1 year from now. You also have this small, let me see, what is it? Made with love. Wow, see, this is a very tiny medal. So I see some of you being rewarded, entering into a force, navy, air force, because the plane is also here, meeting someone from this armies, navies, social welfares. You are going for those things also. If you are very young, go for it, friends. It is your destiny. You should also check out the reading spiritual. What are your spiritual gifts? I did that reading shortly a week back. Do check that out. Eagle, yes, eagle is important. Take an dream big, friends. Luck is with you. Patience, yes, be patient. I know you are feeling hopeless right now, but be patient, friends. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Two of Airs, don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your luck. You are a giver, you are a very kind and loving person, friends. And I know you are a shy person like me, probably. And you are an empath, probably. Eight of Cups, yes, Eight of Cups. You have been rejected, people are rejecting you. You feel very unhappy. Eight of Coins, keep working. Success is yours. Don't give up. Nine of Ears. I see someone is there who is having addictions, worry, anxiety, your partner, your husband, wife. Give it some time, friends. Give them time. Mars. Be passionate. Your future will be passionate. Three of Ears. Yes, friends, this person has hurted you, someone from the past. Four of Wands. Yes, this person, marriage is in your destiny, friends. 1 year from now, marriage, commitment, talks of future. Five of Earth. This person has ghosted you. They have blocked you. They have addiction issues or worry. April is important. Maybe you met in the April or next April things will be better. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person. Four of Airs. Be patient for right now. Don't rush things. Six of Airs. Six of Air. Stay quiet, you are moving ahead. Cycles, things are moving in cycles. So it is best to stay, keep a low profile at the moment and keep working. Your destiny is bright, and make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us at Instagram, Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.